You can see straight through my life.
Hello my beautiful people, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing super awesome. Guys, I'm really sorry for being MIA, for not being available. I know you've been asking me about my upcoming videos. Guys, the reason was that I was not feeling myself. I was feeling low and really not keeping well health wise. This is something that I want to share with you guys also, maybe later if not now. But guys, stay tuned for more content. I'm sure you will find my content more useful and more engaging like never before. So guys, ये जो मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, it's a much requested video since many of my girls are gonna get married this year and next year. I'm really happy for them, extending my congratulations and best wishes to all of them. But at the same time, they're very concerned about their skincare routine. They don't really know how to get started, how to do extra, how to look good on their D-Day. So this video is specially dedicated to all of them. So what are we waiting for? I'm sure this video is going to be really useful for all of you girls out there. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, if your wedding is just around the corner, then please don't try and experiment with your skincare products and don't play with your skin. This would be my suggestion to you guys. What you've been doing, you continue with that only until and unless you have a dermatologist, you have someone knowledgeable, a thorough professional guiding you, then you can go ahead, feel free to do so. But agar koi bhi nahi hai, then make sure that you do not experiment, right? Keep your skin hydrated, nourished, drink plenty of water, right? And keep your skin moisturized if you are on the dry side or you have a sensitive skin for that matter, guys. And if you have breakouts, your skin is prone to acne, then of course you don't have to do much of hydration, but you have to really take care of the cleansing part, right? Keep your skin healthy, keep your skin neat, right? Dirt free, grime free. Follow your routine of cleansing, toning, moisturizing, right? Putting up SPF while you're stepping out because sun is really harsh these days. So guys, ये जो basic tips है ये तो आपको follow करनी ही है at any cost, no matter which skincare type girl you are, right? उसके बाद आता है what sort of products you can use, what extra you can put over your skin so that you know you really glow on your special day. But then of course you can do so only when you have at least 6 months with yourself to, you know, really replenish your skin and work on your skin concerns. So guys, I'm gonna tell you very basic that all of you can follow irrespective of your skin type. If I look back and retrospect on my wedding day, guys, again मैंने ज़्यादा experiment नहीं किया था. Touchwood मेरे कुछ ऐसे concerns भी नहीं थे. I took one or two, I think. I just took one facial sitting from a salon, and that too like Gitanjali salon, guys, or that was an expensive facial sitting. So if you're planning to, you know, prep up your skin for your wedding day, make sure that, you know, you go to a trusted brand where your skin can be really taken care of, and don't fall prey to cheap products or, you know, discounted offers. This is what I think, क्योंकि हम लोग जब discount में पड़ जाते हैं और we compromise or, you know, we try and save our money, then, you know, we really end up playing with our skin, playing with our hair also, guys. So I'm somebody who would like to spend more and get good results rather than, you know, just spending meager amount and getting the services done. So I don't believe in that. And the kind of products you can use, guys. So there's this product which I feel can work wonders for my girls who have like dry, lifeless skin, which is this this Urjasra, if I'm pronouncing it right, this is Kama Urjasra hydrating and replenishing face oil. Guys, I have been using this oil from past couple of weeks. Guys, it really works deep within your skin and gives you that natural glow. You can apply it either overnight, yeah, morning, maybe before shower. You can use this facial oil, give a good massage to your face, and then wash it off, keeping it for an hour or so. So guys, facial oil is something that I feel that is a great stimulant for your skin. ये मैंने अपनी वेडिंग से पहले भी यूज़ किया है, वेडिंग डे से पहले भी, और मैं अभी भी इसको रिलीजियसली यूज़ करती हूँ. उसके अलावा गाइस, it's very important that you keep your skin moisturized, deeply moisturized, mildly moisturized. It depends upon your skin type. So अगर आपकी already skin ऑयली है, सो गाइज आप फिर भी आपको मॉइस्चराइज करना चाहिए. You can use gel based cream, you can use aloe vera, something like that you can put over your skin, so that your skin remains layered and no dirt or grime gets over it. And of course, your skin doesn't look dry or flaky or stretched, right, and does not look mature. So you have to buy such creams which work for your skin, right? For example, if मेरी स्किन ड्राई एंड सेंसिटिव है गाइस, सो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा वेदर में मॉइस्चर था, तो मैं जेल बेस्ड क्रीम यूज़ कर रही थी. देन यू कैन यूज़, इफ़ यू फील दैट विंटर्स आर अप्रोचिंग, देन यू कैन स्विच फ्रॉम अ जेल बेस्ड क्रीम टू एन एक्चुअल क्रीम, थिकली मॉइस्चराइज क्रीम. सो गाइज, ये डिसीजन आपको अपने स्किन टाइप को माइंड में रखते हुए लेना है, राइट? And it's very important to keep your skin moisturized. So these days I'm using this Clinique Moisture Surge, guys. Eladi bhi मैं use करती हूँ from Kama, but this is also really great, as I've told you often that my skin is really feeling dry and has become flaky. So I've switched to this Moisture Surge. It gives a bomb of moisturizer to my skin, and hence I'm happy using this. इसके अलावा guys, the one that is doing wonders to my skin, and I feel that it has become an essential part of my skincare routine, is this Jade Roller, guys. So guys, ये कैसे काम करता है, I'll tell you. अगर आपके फेस पफी हो जाता है, especially around your eyes, and you want to improve the blood circulation, right, then of course this is something that you can use it upwards. The stroke should be upwards, guys. Likewise, when you're applying it over your neck, then you should use upward strokes, right? You can also apply it around your eyes if your eyes get puffy when you wake up in the morning. So guys, this also works wonders. So अगर रात में आपने facial oil use किया है और नहीं भी किया है, and the next morning you are applying something over your skin, then you can definitely use this, so that the product gets deep within your skin and can actually work as a stimulant. इसके अलावा guys, the way to pamper your skin is to use tons of sheet masks. Guys, I'm a sucker of sheet masks. See, I have used 4-5 sheet masks already, and these many are still remaining there in my kitty. More so कभी कभी शिव भी यूज़ कर लेता है guys, but mostly तो मैं ही यूज़ करती हूँ. So guys, if you want to give your skin that extra ton of nourishment, then you can go with sheet mask. Guys, मैं टोनी मोली के यूज़ करती हूँ. मुझे टोनी मोली के शीट मास्क बहुत सही लगते हैं, मेरी स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छे से काम करते हैं, एंड मुझे इसमें केमिकल फील नहीं होता. वन मोर थिंग गाइज, डोंट पुट केमिकल्स ऑन योर स्किन. डोंट गो फॉर एनी केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट. If your wedding is just right there, this is what I feel. Keep it as much natural as you can. Just pamper it with good Ayurvedic products, and of course taking good amount of sleep, etc, etc. So guys, coming back to sheet mask, आप sheet mask use कर सकते हैं. जैसे अगर for different skin concerns, the one that I have here is vitamin C for brightening, right? Then I have this tomato sheet mask for radiance. right, to fight every skin concern. Then I have avocado sheet mask for nutrition, right? Then I have this pineapple Yuja mask sheet for shining, right? I have this pomegranate sheet mask for elasticity. So I have got different sheet masks. इस तरीके से आप भी sheet mask use कर सकते हैं और अपनी skin को extra glow दे सकते हैं. Guys, one last important tip that probably no one would give you is that you don't have to ignore your lips. Lips are a vital part of your face, right? If your lips will look chappy, not well kept, dehydrated, then it shows up on your face. So guys, it's very important to use a good lip balm. जो भी lip balm आपको लगता है आपके lips के लिए work करता है, thoroughly moisturize रखेगा आपके lips को, वही आप lip balm use करिए. The one that I'm using from quite some days now, it's from Laneige. This lip balm is really good, guys. ये fragrance free है and there's no tint in this lip balm. It's very simple. It just keeps my lips hydrated and gives it a glossy look. So guys, आप वही कर सकते हैं. Try and avoid using lipsticks as much as possible if your wedding is just right there around the corner, because guys, शादी के बाद तो you have to put on lipsticks after lipsticks. So try and stay away from any sort of chemicals. Try to make your face look clean, neat, as simple as possible, so guys your skin can breathe, right? And same applies for your lips. So guys, go with good lip balms. जो आपकी स्किन पे really work करे. If possible, अगर आपको लगता है the skin is coming off from your lips, then you can use a good scrub also. मैंने guys Juicy Chemistry का lip scrub use किया. It's really good. You can use lip oil also, right? So guys, take care of your lips as well while you're taking care of your face, of your skin, and take care of your whole body. Eat well, sleep well. If you will eat well, if you will sleep well, your skin will automatically radiate and आपकी skin automatically बहुत अच्छी दिखेगी and you will look even more beautiful. So guys, मेरी वीडियो में अभी के लिए इतना ही था. If you found my video really useful, then please guys don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and don't forget to share it with your friends also, so that they also get important information from all my videos. And guys, please keep pouring in your love. I really need your support, and yes, keep supporting each other, keep pouring in more and more positivity, and lots of love to you guys. Until I see you next time, please take good care of yourself, please love animals, please love your family, and I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye bye. Lots of love. Bye bye.